Hey everyone, this has been an unboxing of the SOiOS iPhone 13 mini case. You can get this off of Amazon. Show you guys the picture of it right there. SOiOS. See, currently right now these are 18 bucks. So this will be an unboxing of this case. And we can see here, grip, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, precise cutout. You guys can read that if you want to. Saying thank you for choosing this brand. Again, you can get this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. Put it off to the side. So you do have a little cleaning kit here. Talks about the covers that are on here, which of course I'll show off in just a moment. And this actually does have a screen protector with it as well, which is very nice. For only 18 bucks, not bad. You get a case and a nice screen protector. That is awesome. Here is the case itself. So this is, some of this is just plastic, some of this is actually kind of softer, which is actually rather nice. Kind of combination of the two. This is like the stand. Back here, Discover New World. This is a nice looking case. And then this does move. It does snap into over here so you can get to your camera. You can take pictures and videos and whatnot. And then over here it will help protect your camera, which is awesome. You pop your nail into there, pop this on up. Then it is a stand, or like that, or like that, and even like that if you want. So this is super nice because it does have the built-in stand. I'm pushing it the wrong way there. And then it's super flat too. Like a lot of the cases with stands on them have like a little bit of a bump, which is kind of annoying. Such as this case, I can't remember what case this is, but for my SE, you do have this bump out here. So when you put it down, it isn't flat. Where this is nice and flat. So, except for the little guy here. Yeah, so there you guys go. Thank you all for watching. Thank you to them for sending me this case. Yeah, this thing is really nice for 18 bucks. And again, you also get the screen protector as well. So, very nice case. Very nice looking case. Those that are wondering, this is a little bit indented on each of these. But overall, it's going to be nice flat, except for this little bit here, which really shouldn't matter too much anyway. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.